get enough, like, light.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they sure are. They're ice clippers. Believe it or not. They got traction.
Yeah, you need to get in the light, Carolyn.
Yeah, dude.
Carolyn,
we do it
head
behind
towards
the
the
truck
light.
There's enough light. It's not nearly enough light.
Right up there, right on that nice stuff.
Whoa!
It's snow.
Wait, hang on. Don't start filming yet. How my foot's already fucking cold.
Well,
Because I can't.
Hurry up, we're cold.
Down there. You gotta go down
Yeah.
there.
What about by the dumpster?
It's gotta go down there because there's not enough light.
This isn't,
Okay, is it snow? Does it have to be snow handle or can I dive into the 4 foot deep snow?
Okay. If you get naked and run and dive into that hill, that's pretty good.
That counts.
That'll go on YouTube tonight.
then the next time we, next place
we'll have to pull you out.
Do you want to check and make sure there isn't like a wall right there?
Kick it.
I don't think there is.
Oh crap.
Oh my gosh. Okay, Southern boy. Hey, we knew that snowsuit from Billings would come in handy.
leave the hat on, yeah, good.
Snow Angel. Somebody's calling the police, guys. Somebody who shouldn't be watching us is watching.